A little bit of snow out here on Christmas Day. Just a little bit. I can barely see it. Merry Christmas. Wouldn't be Christmas without shooting some guns. Yeah. 30-06 bipod. Alright, we're going to set up shop here in the barn where we keep the hay. That's my cousin Brad going in the barn. We're going to unload some bullets. Alright, we're inside. We're going to shoot some bullets out in the field. We can do some skeet shooting maybe. Right here. And we got Brad here with his AR. Got his new pistol grip. Alright, this is the best we can do in finding a target. Old plastic bird's nest. Gonna hit it from that far away. We'll see what we can do. Yeah, go ahead, bust your eardrums. Woo!
I hit it too.
Did you?
Yeah, I saw it move.
Here we go. Checking the earmuffs. Sights up. Woo! That's loud. That's right.
Yeah, you can shoot it.
Alright, we got 30-06 ammo. Goes in right here. Make sure it flicks. Pull that hammer back. It's loaded. Still have the safety on. And we still got the same target. I'm going to lay this puppy down. Alright. Alright, ready?
Ready? Golly, that thing was loud.
I think it's off. There we go.
That was a loud gun, dude. Alright. You're on record.
Pull that safety back. Alright, enough playing around. Good. Well, Brad's dead on. Brad is dead on. As you can see, I completely missed. I think my scope's off. Oh well. Anyway, snow's really sticking now. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Go blow something up. Beautiful. Well, the weatherman's calling for 2 to 4 inches after midnight today. So, let it snow. Well, Merry Christmas everyone. Hope you enjoyed the show. I think this qualifies as a white Christmas, in my opinion. What do you think? Beautiful.